In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for SEO research and content planning. We'll walk through a clear workflow you can repeat anytime you're planning a blog post, a landing page, or a content strategy. Start by opening the official Perplexity AI website and logging into your account. Being signed in helps you keep your search history and follow-up threads in one place, which makes refining your research much easier. Begin with a single keyword or topic. Type your main SEO idea into the search bar, something like Best SEO Strategies for Small Businesses in 2026. Perplexity will generate an overview with sources. Read that first result carefully. Look for recurring themes, frequently mentioned keywords, and popular strategies that appear across multiple sources. Those patterns hint at what the audience and search engines expect to see covered. Quick note before we go further. I've placed a direct link to the Perplexity AI website at the very top of the description, so you can jump in and follow along while you watch. Next, turn that initial topic into a broader keyword set. Ask Perplexity to generate variations and long-tail ideas. A simple prompt like, "Give me long-tail keywords related to SEO for beginners," works well. Skim the suggestions, keep the ones with clear specificity or buyer intent, and note related questions you could answer in your content. Now clarify search intent. Ask Perplexity to classify the intent behind a term. For example, what is the search intent for SEO tools for beginners? Use the response to decide whether your page should be educational, comparison-focused, or transaction-oriented. To understand the competitive landscape, request a breakdown of the top-ranking content for your keyword. Ask it to summarize key points from those pages. Compare what the leaders cover, how they structure the article, and what you can add that's missing or clearer. With that in mind, have Perplexity create a structured, SEO-optimized outline tailored to your topic. You can specify audience, tone, and desired sections so the outline matches your brand and goals. Strengthen your piece with evidence. Ask for current statistics, trends, and credible references you can cite. Always open the sources, verify dates, and make sure the data aligns with your angle. Refine with follow-ups. Ask deeper questions like, what are the latest SEO ranking factors in 2026? Or, compare on-page versus technical SEO. Use these insights to sharpen your headings, FAQs, and internal links. Finally, export and apply your findings. Copy the keywords, outline, and references into your content brief or CMS, and turn the research into a high-quality draft. Thanks for watching.